Hello and welcome back to Inside the Fridge Studio. I'm Skip Pepperton. With me is Mini Fridge Jimmy. Jimmy, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Skip. It's a pleasure to be here.
So, let's get the small talk out of the way. Where were you built?
In Korea.
Oh, you don't say. I hear it's nice at this time of year.
It is. I haven't been there in some time.
Now, if you don't mind me asking, what's your make and model number?
Not at all. I'm a MCBR440B.
Oh, so that's funny. Our guest yesterday was a 440A.
Oh, you must mean Dan.
Yes, Dan. He was a hoot.
Really great fridge.
Yeah, small world, small world. Now, we're running out of time, and I don't want to let you go without asking you the show's titular question. Jim, what's inside of you? What are your contents?
Why tell you when I can show you?